Hi, I'm Stanley Lam from the World Optical Company. I'm the third generation in the optical line. The World Optical Company started from my late grandfather Mr. Johnson Lam in 1934 at 24 Leaf Street in Georgetown, Penang Island. During the early days in optical industry, there are different types of tools and machineries were used imported from the United States, England, West Germany, France, Japan and China. Until the 70s, my father, Mr. Lam Pinlet, took over as the second generation. During this period, the optical industry using more optical equipments from European and Asian countries. In 2018, we have moved to a new location at 54-6 Tung Hing Building in Jalan Burma. This is the ophthalmometer when we use since 1934. Handheld ophthalmoscope, 1930s lens meter, 1950s lens meter, 1980s lens meter, this is the 1970s lens meter. The surfacing grinding tools, this is handheld drilling tools. Nikon projection lens meter. This is the grinding lens table which used since 1934. This is all manually done with all the gears and with all the labs. Bosch and Lomb phoropter, which is used to test the eye, used since 1934. Hi, let me show you how we adjust the frame in the olden days. It is used until now today. So first, we lit the kerosene lamp and cover with the funnel so to gather the heat at the point I want. At first, we see the frame, is it straight? If it's not straight, then we have to make sure which part to adjust. Then I have to adjust the flame up to a point which get the heat needed. So you have to move the frame around so that the frame doesn't melt. So when the heat of the frame gathers, then only we can adjust. You use a cloth to adjust so that we don't burn the hand. And after adjusting, we need to see whether it is straight. If it's not straight again, we have to reheat again, so that this frame, plastic frame, is easier to bend and couldn't crack. So you have to use the cloth to adjust again, push up. To see whether the frame is straight. So once the frame is straight, everything is good, it's perfect. So we have to put it inside the water to let it cool down. And then wipe with cloth everything to be clean and dry.